Hello, I'm Keenlight and welcome to Hamster project. Today we're going to look how we can add Mixamo animations to a hamster project. First of all, we need to just unzip this project. So dive into the folder. So here we have some files. There is two projects. One project is for the standard without any plugins Cinema 4D file. And this is with the Octane render and ready to go. We are interested right now in this file, which is a Hamster file for Mixamo, and we can go to Mixamo. So you need to log in your Mixamo account, and then you can use any kind of animations you find here. So we have our character, and we're going to upload it here with this button. We can select the file. In downloads is completely okay. Nice, our character is uploaded, looks good, already moving, does something, it's okay. Say next. Now it's a standard T-pose, and here is the characters, and we can put this tab, we can look for some animations. Let's do some dance. Dance, yes, this one looks good to me. Nice moves, yes. Okay, I like this, and we can download it. Say download, we can leave it those settings as default. Okay, let's download another one, so that you can see how you can mix those animations together. It's like really easy. I need some run, so it's different characteristics. So running. Oh yes, this run. Oh, he ran away. Okay, here you have some options. You can choose something here like overdrive, arm space, you can dream animation, but at the moment I would like to have just run on a place. Okay, nice, he's running a place, so I will need to download. Good, let's open the basic project. Okay, I will choose a standard layout. So here we have our hamster. And as you see, there is no animation at all, it's just standing in T-pose. The first thing to do is always check your project settings, what kind of frame rate. Remember, we had 30 frames, so we just add the 30 frames here as well. We don't have any animations here. To work with animations, we need to have a timeline. So we go to Window and open this F-curve timeline. So now it's hanging over the screen, but it's very handy when you can place this timeline here, or either you can choose the animation preset from here. So I prefer just, and it will open here next to materials as a tab. So nice. We are interested in this motion mode, so import our animations from Mixamo. You go here, File, Merge Objects, Animations, and then we're in download. We start with the arm, hip hop dance, open. We are interested only in the tracks, animation tracks, all the rest is not interesting for us. As we can see in the hierarchy, there is another one, Hamster, which contains an animations. We scrub, you can see the skeleton is moving. That's great. So now, with the selected hamster, go to Animate, Add Motion Clip. So, as we had already created motion clip here, we don't need to create another one. And we can call this simply dance, and that's okay. Frames is okay. As we can see, here it appears, but still nothing happens. From this moment we can take this hamster, imported, and delete. So we clean up the scene. After deleting file, the motion stays here. All you need to do is just take this one and drag it here and place it to 0 frame or any frame you want, and you can see there it is, animation is here. We'll zoom out a little bit more. Our timeline is too short. I will add some more frames, maybe 800. No, 800. So we have 800 frames, yes. And a preview. Let's do some all preview. Okay, first animation is done. Let's add another one. Let's go File, Merge, Objects, and Running. We need only animation tracks. Okay, there is another one, as you can see. Be sure you select Hamster, the merged object, then you go to Animate, add motion clip, give name Run. Okay, and it appears here, and we can delete merged object. We take this Run and just place it here. I'll zoom in. Timeline. And we can see it's running. But here is like pauses in between. Even we can place it like next to here. It's like boom 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 boom, dancing, and then it's running. But we would like to have some smooth interpolation between frames. So from one movement to another one, it's very easy to do. You just take this one and drag it on, and you can see it draws the curve. So maybe here, and you can see it just from dance goes to run. And then we can take just another one, place it here. Let's move it closer, and we can do as much as we want. Running, 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 then dancing, running, running, sitting, something, something, and so on. I will choose some nice frame, maybe posture here, like yes, this one. Let's do some rendering, and we'll see how it looks. Render. Basically, that's it. That's how you add an animation to a hamster. Open project, and you will see some difference there. So the hamster is the same. We have a stage, we have a camera target and the camera itself, target expression, and we have some Octane camera tag, and we have some backdrop. For lights I'm using simply a daylight, and all the rest is the same. And we can go File, Merge Objects, again, Hip Hop Arms Dance. Okay, go Animate, add motion clips, call it Dance. We don't need to create new motion clip, we have it already here. I can delete this one. Again, Merge Objects, Running, only tracks. Okay, selected, Animate, add motion clip, Run, added. So he's running. Ta-dum. Ba-ba-bow. Yes. For clean viewport, just delete this one. And this time I'll add some dance, and you can interpolate in between them, just slide over them. Ta-da! So he's running. No, he's dancing. Wow, nice, very good. So let's see, maybe. Oh, no. Yeah. This hands up. Do. Let's run some previews.
One eternity later.
So after geometry is loaded, you can see it's super fast, very nice to work with. The details, everything. This up. Yes, hello. Wouldn't be nice to buy those toys in the gas station? Like they are looking at you. Please bring me home with these big eyes. Oh, my computer went very loud. Okay, that's it. Basically, what you need to do, simply upload the file to Mixamo, which is provided in the downloads. Choose an animation, download animation, fit frame rate, or change speed. It's like you just click here and you go to advanced. Maybe you want to change the speed, like here's timing. You can do really time wrap or something. So it's basically very powerful and easy to do. With this knowledge you can continue to do your animations and enjoy mighty Hamster.